In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon campaign on eBay. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who are starting their journey on eBay and want to learn how to effectively use promotions to attract more customers. First, let's kick off by navigating to the Coupons Manager. You'll want to log into your eBay seller account and head over to the Marketing tab, where you'll find the Coupons Manager. This is the hub for all your coupon campaigns, and where you'll be managing and tracking their performance. If you're new to this, take a little time to explore this section, as it's filled with valuable tools and insights that can give you a competitive edge on the platform. Once you're in the Coupons Manager, the next step is to click on Create Campaign. This button usually stands out, so it should be easy to find. Don't worry if it feels a bit daunting at first. Creating campaigns becomes second nature once you've done it a couple of times. Selecting Create Campaign will lead you to a new page, so be sure to take in the layout and options at your disposal. Now, it's time to set the rules and validity of your coupon. This is where you get creative and strategic at the same time. You'll decide on things like the discount percentage, the minimum purchase requirement, and the maximum discount amount allowed. Consider your target market and what kind of offer would be most appealing to them. You'll also need to set the start and end dates for your campaign. Timing can make a huge difference, so think about when your customers are most likely to shop. For instance, a campaign run during a holiday season might need a different strategy compared to a mid-year sale. Delve into what you know about your buyers' habits and tailor the rules to entice them to complete a purchase. Finally, when everything looks all set, you'll launch your campaign. Before you hit launch, it's always a good idea to review everything one last time. Double-check the coupon details to make sure there aren't any errors that could confuse your customers or lead to unintended discounts. Once you are confident that everything is perfect, you can hit that launch button. Your coupon is now active and ready to go, which means it's now visible to your customers, and you can start reaping the benefits. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a coupon campaign that not only drives traffic to your eBay listings, but also helps convert those views into sales. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your eBay campaigns.